So that's how it's supposed to be like when you're done with it. So the pressure should be back, everything should be fine just like it was. Okay. In here. So if it's like this, you just put a tape. On this side. Check another one. So cut on here. Okay, let's test it before. Yeah, I think so. So when I was filming a video in which you fix this pipe on the Polo, the battery died, then I couldn't be able to continue filming the video, then I couldn't show you, but I couldn't stop as well because the customer wanted their car. So how I basically did this was that I put this thing in here, and now the car was done, because I also did the same thing on my car, which now is working very fine. So right now I'm just gonna show you the final result, since I can't show you on the Polo because the Polo then left because it was a customer's car and they had to go. So that's how it's supposed to be like when you're done with it. So the pressure should be back, everything should be fine, just like it was working on my car. So that's basically it for the video. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope this video helped you so much, and kindly please hit the subscribe and like button, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. We out.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never